Welcome back to another BK Quick Tip. Did you know the KNG radio is capable of receive-only trunking? You can just set a talk group to receive only and disable the PTT button. To do this, go to the Systems tab and select the trunking system. Then, click on the Talk Groups button. Select the talk group you want to be receive-only and set the receive-only parameter to Yes. The radio will still register and affiliate to the system, but the radio will not allow the PTT to activate transmit. Alternatively, we can set the whole system to receive only. Here, the radio will act as a scanner and won't attempt to register or affiliate with the system. This process cannot be undone, so it's best practice to begin by saving any progress you have on your code plug. Then, click on the Systems tab and select the trunking system you want to be receive only. Click on the Additional Options button and select the receive only parameter. Again, this cannot be undone after you click Yes. Thanks for watching and consider subscribing for more BK Quick Tips.